The earth is the Lord's, and the fullness thereof, the earth and those that dwell therein. For he has founded it upon the waters, and established it upon the seas. I am here to declare to you this afternoon, whatever you are trusting God for, I want you to believe, because there is nothing our God cannot do. Kí ló lè ṣe? Kí ló lè ṣe? Ọlọ́run mi, kí ló lè ṣe? Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ dá ayé àtọ̀run, kí lẹ ò lè ṣe? Kí lẹ ò lè ṣe? Ọlọ́run mi, kí lẹ ò lè ṣe? Kí lẹ ò lè ṣe? Ọlọ́run mi, kí lẹ ò lè ṣe?
Hello friends, I want to thank you once again for tuning in on Orin Igbani. It's beautiful journey. I want to thank everyone that had fed me back and given one testimony or the other since I started posting songs on Orin Igbani. Particularly, I want to thank God for a testimony I heard last week that lifted my spirit. I am joyous, I'm still joyous. I will continue to be joyous this week. It's about a family that has been waiting, trusting on the Lord. Remember, I posted a music that says Duro Doluwa or Duro Doluwa about a week ago, and today, for me, that song brought a testimony to me because what we need to do is to keep waiting, to keep trusting and loving Him, and to keep fulfilling the purpose you have been called to fulfill, because God is going to come true. Nítorí pé tẹ́kún bá pẹ́ dálẹ̀ kan, ayọ̀ ń bọ̀ lówùúrọ̀. Listen and be blessed. Love you.
Òṣùbà rere bàbá, òṣùbà rere o, ọba tá ò rí, tá a rí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ̀, òṣùbà rere o.
Ẹ̀yin lọba tá ò rí, ọba tá ò rí tá a rí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín. Ẹ̀yin ni alágbára gíga. Gbòǹgbò ìdílé Jésè, àtẹrẹrẹ kárí ayé. Gbanigbani tí à ń sáyà, ọlọ́wọ́ gbọgbọrọ tí ń yọmọ rẹ̀ nínú ọ̀fìn. Ẹ̀yin lọba tá ò rí tá à ń rí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín. Òṣùbà, 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 òṣùbà rẹ̀ rèé. Ẹ̀yin lọba tá ò rí tá à ń rí iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín. Òṣùbà rẹ̀ rèé o. Kábíyèsí.
Dájúdájú, lódodo, dájúdájú, lódodo, dájúdájú, lódodo, dájúdájú. Àánú rẹ̀ yóò sì wà títí ayé. Lódodo, dájú. Àánú rẹ̀ yóò sì wà títí ayé. Lódodo, dájúdájú. Lódodo, dájúdájú. Lódodo, dájúdájú. dájú, mo nílò lọ́dọ̀, dájú, lọ́dọ̀, dájú, àánú rẹ̀ yóò sì wà títí ayé lọ́dọ̀, dájú, àánú rẹ̀ yóò sì wà títí ayé lọ́dọ̀, dájú, ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ yóò sì wà títí ayé lọ́dọ̀, dájú, àánú rẹ̀ yóò sì wà títí ayé lọ́dọ̀, dájú. Ẹ bá mi gbé
Hebrews 6:18 says, by two immutable things in which it is impossible for God to lie. Therefore, let's lay hold upon the hope that has been set before us. Dear friends, come with me on this journey of gratitude, of praising and giving thanks in the midst of life's situation. Through this week, the remaining part of this month, and the remaining part of this year, let us show God gratitude. Let's praise God for what He's done in our life, what He is yet to do, and what He will still do. Because I know and I believe that there is nothing our God cannot do.
Ọba tí kò yí padà, ìyìn ló yẹ ọ́.